When doing the plane mirror lab, you're going to notice that you can tap on the different parts of the candle flame, and it's going to show you where the image would appear to be coming from. So each point is making an image. So if you tap on all the different parts of the candle, it's going to allow you to see where that particular point is going to be. So if we do a whole bunch of these, it's going to make a whole complete image. This is showing most of the image that we would actually see with our eyes. If we were on the other side of the mirror with the candle, what we would see would be an image that would be appearing to be coming from behind the mirror. It would be upright. Inverted means upside down. It does appear backwards, but it is upright, right side up. It is the same size as the actual candle, and because it's on the opposite side of the mirror, this would be a virtual image. As we look at the concave mirror image, you'll notice that the F is the focal point and the 2F is the same as C. So when it says the object is beyond C, this M, you'll notice, is outside of the line where the 2F is. And again, we can just touch different points of this and it's going to show where the image would be seen. So we can do this very quickly to where it ends up showing our image. And you'll notice that the image is in front of the mirror. It is upside down or inverted. It is smaller than the actual image, and because it is on the left side of the mirror, the same side as the person that is seeing it, it is a real image. So for the next image, if we were to click on the letter A, you'll notice the A is between the C, again, which is the same as 2F, and the F, the focal point, and you can tap on any part. And once you've tapped on a few parts, you can just tap where it does everything for you. And you notice again the image is going to be in front of the mirror. It is upside down, so it's inverted. It's larger than the actual image, and it is a real image. So if you were to put your eyeball where that letter A is, what you would see would be a big upside down A. For the next thing, if we were to put our image right on the focal point, like the letter G is exactly on the focal point, what's going to happen is there would be no image at all. You wouldn't see anything. So if you were to put your eyeball right at the focal point distance, you would see nothing. So everything across there is N/A. It does not apply. And our final part of the concave mirror is if we were to put our eyeball inside the F line. Inside the F line, like the letter R is inside the F line. So if we were to put our eyeball there, what we would be seeing would be behind the mirror. The image is now behind the mirror, but it's upright and it's larger than the actual image. Because it is to the right of the mirror, this makes it a virtual image. Now as we change to the convex mirror, if we were to put our eyeball right where that letter M is, you'll notice it's beyond where 2F would be. Then as soon as we start making the light rays from each part of that, in this case it's showing the letter M instead of our eyeball, but what we would end up seeing would be an image that is behind the mirror. It is upright. It is smaller than the actual image, and it is virtual. So if we were to put our eyeball where the letter M is, we would see our small eyeball, right side up, smaller, and it would be a virtual image. And then for our next part of the concave mirror, convex mirror, if we were to put our eyeball inside the focal point, so if we were to put our eyeball where the letter R is at that mirror, you'll notice again that the image is behind the mirror, it is upright, it is smaller than the real image, and it is virtual. So in a convex mirror, it doesn't matter where we put our eyeball, we'll always see the image appearing to be coming from behind the mirror. It will be upright, it will be smaller, and it will be a virtual image.